Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Pure Edible. Today we are going to talk about the unbelievable benefits of kalonji oil. As per the ancient texts, kalonji or the black seed is known to be the remedy for all the maladies except for death because of its immense therapeutic applications. Kalonji and kalonji oil are a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins and micronutrients. It acts as an excellent remedy for the cure of many diseases, some of which will be discussed during this video. In these difficult times when COVID-19 is rampant throughout the world, kalonji oil is highly beneficial in cure and prevention of respiratory, sinus, cough, cold, asthma and congestion related issues. Take 300 ml of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of kalonji oil to it. Drink this 2 times a day and you will get much relief in all of your respiratory problems. Kalonji oil is also beneficial for the health of our heart. It keeps the blood pressure, cholesterol in control and prevents cardiac arrest. Take half a teaspoon of kalonji oil, mix in a warm glass of milk and consume it every day. It will do real wonders for your heart health. Kalonji oil is also beneficial in the control of blood sugar level in our body and also in prevention of diabetes. Half a teaspoon of kalonji oil, if mixed in a cup of black tea and is consumed daily, it keeps your blood sugar level in check and for those suffering from diabetes gives great relief. If you're suffering from loss of hair, baldness or other such problems, then also consumption of kalonji oil helps. Make a paste comprising of 15 ml of kalonji oil, 15 ml of olive oil and 30 grams of mehndi or henna. Apply it on the roots of your hair twice a week for 2 hours and then wash it with a gentle shampoo. You will see a considerable improvement in the problem of loss of hair. Kalonji oil is also helpful in boosting memory and concentration power. Take a bunch of mint leaves, approx 15 to 20 grams, mix it in a 300 ml of water, boil it till the time that the water is reduced to half, that is 150 ml, then strain the water and let it cool. Add half a teaspoon of kalonji oil to it and drink. Try it for 30 days and you'll feel the difference. Kalonji oil also helps in weight loss. Now take 300 ml of lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of kalonji oil, consume it twice a day, one in the morning empty stomach and one before sleeping. It burns the unwanted fat in your body and you'll see the results of weight loss very soon. In addition, you also get a new glow on your face and skin and it also helps in checking wrinkles. Now kalonji oil also helps in increasing digestive power. If you are suffering from stomachache, gas or acidity, then take 300 ml of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of kalonji oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice and a pinch of black salt. Drink it and you'll get instant relief from gas, acidity or stomachache. If you are suffering from piles, then also kalonji oil is the solution. Add half a teaspoon of kalonji oil in black tea, consume it on a daily basis. You'll get much relief from the problem of piles in a few days. Kalonji oil also prevents occurrence of stones in kidneys and also is helpful in curing burning sensation in urination if you have. Take 300 ml of warm milk, add 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of kalonji oil and drink it on a daily basis. In a few days, you'll get much relief from the problem of burning sensation during urination. Kalonji oil is also helpful in reducing tiredness and laziness of our body and actually rejuvenates our body. You can take half a teaspoon of kalonji oil in orange juice on a daily basis and you'll feel a new vigor and energy in your body. Kalonji oil is also helpful in treatment of the problem of acne, dark spots, blemishes or pigmentation. What you need to do is take 20 ml of Mosami juice, add 5 ml of kalonji oil to it and rub it on your face 2 to 3 times a day. In a few days, you will see the results. If you're suffering from headache, then massage your forehead and temple area with kalonji oil. You will get relief from the headache. Kalonji oil is also helpful in increasing eyesight. What you need to do is take a tablespoon of kalonji oil in carrot juice and consume it on a daily basis. This will help in boosting your eyesight. The other benefits include prevention and cure of cancer. Kalonji oil is also helpful in curing menstrual and fertility problems in women, Kalonji oil is also helpful in joint pains, inflammations and arthritis. Now where to buy pure Kalonji oil from? You can buy pure cold pressed Kalonji oil from your nearest Pure Edible store. You can call us at our store and order it, or else you can order it directly on our website www.pureediblestores.com and we'll ship it to you anywhere in India. So friends, you have seen and heard what are all the benefits of Kalonji oil. They are so wonderful. So what are you waiting for? Just grab the phone and order it, or visit our website and order it. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be back very soon with another informative and health-oriented video. Till then, bye-bye and stay healthy.